Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make the perfect Nigerian egg roll. Just watch this video to the end. You will get tips on how to make the perfect egg roll, whether for business or for your family use. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just do so. My name is Grace and I make food recipe that you will like. So let's get started. I'll be using 3 cups of flour for this recipe. I added 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'll be mixing everything together thoroughly. I'll create a hole at the center before proceeding to add our wet ingredient. I added my 1 egg and 1/4 cup of margarine. I'll be mixing this first before proceeding to add water, and I use 1/3 cup of water for this recipe. I'll be using my hand to mix the dough thoroughly so we get a very well firm dough. And now we'll proceed now to flatten the dough on our work surface. I just took a bit of the dough, flatten it in the surface, put in our hard-boiled egg at the middle and roll. This is a technique I use especially when I'm doing large quantity actually, and it is very simple, and before you know it will be done with any quantity of egg roll you are doing. And this egg roll will not open up in the hot oil no matter how crowded it might be, because it is well filled. So we go ahead now to just complete the rest of the egg. We exhausted the number of eggs we had, and the rest of the dough will serve as buns. I'll proceed now to fry this in a warm oil. The oil is not too hot so that the inside can actually cook properly. So I will keep flipping the dough to the other side until it is well cooked. See how lovely the dough is looking. Our egg roll actually is looking. It's no longer a dough, and it is well rounded and well shaped. So go ahead now to remove all from the oil. And now to the moment of truth. I'll be opening it up. See how lovely it is in the inside. So guys, thank you for watching this video to this point, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please just do so. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.